Welcome to Grade 12 Winter School. Here I will analyze the syllabus, give you strategies and explain using the November 2020 paper 2. Now, Grade 12 stats can indeed help you score well on the exams. This topic mainly deals with scatter plots and correlation. The content is straightforward and once understood, you are well prepared for any question. This question counts 6.7% of the exam. Now here you see the actual exam, and this question gives you the scatter plot, and then on number 1.1 they want the equation of the least squares regression line. Then they want you to sketch the least squares regression line. Then we're going to, at number 3, predict a mark. Then correlation coefficient. Then we're going to, at number 5, comment, and again just what's the trend there. Now my suggestion is the more past papers you work through, the more comfortable you will become with the format, the style and the types of questions that's likely to come up. But let me discuss this question in detail.
A mathematics teacher was curious to establish if her learners' mathematics marks influenced their physical sciences marks. In the table below, the mathematics and physical sciences marks of 15 learners in her class are given as a percentage. And then there's your table with the mathematics marks and the physical sciences. 1.1, determine the equation of the least squares regression line for the data. So what we are looking for, in fact, is this equation. It's y hat equals b plus ax. So we are looking for values for b and a. So there is a little table that I have for you, which shows you the steps you have to follow in order to find the A and the B value. So let me go through it with you. First of all, you press on your calculator mode to stat to A plus BX. That's that one. Then you input each data for value for X and you press equals after each entry. And then you input data values for Y, press equals after each entry. Then you press AC, shift 1 stat, and then you find a list of options. And the one we are looking for now is number 7, regression. And then to get A's value, you press 1 and you will get 9.5. And then you press AC again to get back. Again, shift 1 stat, 7 regression. And then you press number 2 to get B's value. And that one you can round off to 2 decimal values. And then your answer, y hat is equal to 9.5 plus 0.91x. And then where's the values? The marks, A's value, B's value, and equation. One point two. Draw the least squares regression line on the scatter plot provided in the answer book. Now what you need is from the previous answer, the least squares regression line is y hat is equal to 9.5 plus 0.91x. And it's this b value over there that is the y-intercept of your line. And can you see there my graph, my line starts there at 9.5 and then there it is in green, and then you must just make sure that your line crosses at least 2 points and then 2 marks coming your way. 1.3, predict the physical sciences marks of a learner who achieved 69% for mathematics. So what you do, into your least squares regression lines equation, in x's place you substitute the 69 and then you estimate that y is 72.29%. for his physical sciences marks. So where's the marks, substitution, and answer? 1.4. Write down the correlation coefficient between the mathematics and physical sciences marks for the data. Now, first of all, the correlation coefficient is R, and it's a value that lies between 1 and -1. And the closer your R correlation coefficient is to 1, it means the stronger your correlation. And closer to -1, then it means it's a strong negative correlation. All right, so what you need is, again, your values are stored in your calculator. So then you just press AC, shift 1, stat 7 regression, and then you choose number 3, R, and then your correlation will be 0.95. And that's worth 1 mark. 1.5, comment on the strength of the correlation between the maths and the physical sciences marks for the data. So it's a very strong positive correlation between maths and science marks for 1 mark. 1.6, what trend did the teacher observe between the results of the two subjects? And that is, the higher the learner's maths marks, the higher the learner's science marks, for 1 mark.
The next question in this paper is also about statistics. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.